Hello students, in the previous video I have solved the word problems based on fractions. Thus from the same exercise two questions are left. I am going to solve those two questions and that will be your classwork. So I am reading the question for you, question number 10 of exercise 2A. So what was the question? A picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter wide. A picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter wide. How much that picture should be trimmed in order to fit in a frame of 7 3 upon 10 centimeter wide. 7 3 upon 10 centimeter wide. So the question says that there is a picture. The size of the picture is 7 3 upon 5 centimeter. That means it is the bigger size. That means it is bigger than the frame in which we have to fit the picture. So the size of the frame is 7 3 upon 10. So we have to trim this picture in order to fit in the frame. So firstly, this is a mixed fraction. I am going to convert it into an improper fraction. So it will be 5 7 is 35, 35 plus 3, 38 upon 5 centimeter. Now, this is also a mixed fraction. It will be 10 7 is 70, 73 upon 10 centimeter. Now, we have converted the fractions, mixed fractions into improper fraction. Now, to check how much we have to trim, we have to subtract. So, this is bigger, we have to trim this. So, in subtraction, the bigger number is written firstly. So this fraction is bigger than this और इसी को हमें trim करना है. So we are going to subtract like this. 38 minus 5 minus 73 upon 10. Now what is the LCM of 5 and 10? The LCM of 5 and 10 will be 10. So to make it 10, I am going to multiply it by 2. So once I will multiply it by 2, it will become 76 minus 73 upon 10. So the answer will be 3 upon 10 centimeter. So the final statement will be the picture should be trimmed by 3 by 10 centimeter in order to fit in the frame of 73 upon 10 centimeter. Now one more question is left from this exercise. I am going to solve that question. Firstly, I am reading it for you. What should be added to 7 3 upon 5 to get 18? So please pay attention. So students, I have written the question on the board. What should be added to 7 3 upon 5 in order to get 18? So 7 3 upon 5 is a mixed fraction. So the first step which we are going to follow is to convert it into an improper fraction. 5 7 is 35, 35 plus 3 will be 38 upon 5. So what should be added to 38 upon 5 in order to get 18? Now this is in fraction. Whenever we have to add or subtract something from a number and it is written as a whole, there is no denominator, then by default we consider 1 as a denominator. यहाँ पे कोई भी denominator नहीं अगर दिया है तो आप by default क्या consider करेंगे? You will consider 1. So to find out the value of x, this 38 upon 5, as I have told you, there is no sign before it. So by default it is positive sign. So when it will go on the right hand side, it will become negative. So we will subtract like this. Now what is the LCM of 1 and 5? The LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. So to make it 5, we have to multiply it with 5. 18 5s is 90. So 90 minus 38 upon 5. It will be 52 upon 5. Now it is 52 upon 5. We can convert it into mixed fraction also. You have to divide 52 by 10 and you will, as I told you in the previous video, that how you have to convert. So you can convert like that only. So I am writing it for you. It will be 10 2 upon 5. 5 tens are 50, 50 plus 2, that is 52 upon 5. So these were the two questions which were left in exercise 2A. Now there was a student who has commented in my previous video, ma'am please clear the doubts of the first chapter work, what we have to do in classwork and what we have to do in homework. So that for the chapters integer, जो भी मैं आपको photos click करके भेजती हूँ, the images which I click and send it to you as work, that is your homework. And I have explained the properties based on integers in the videos. So So those properties will be written in your classwork copy in short. For example, you are writing commutative property for addition. So you will write like this: a plus b is equals to b plus a, and commutative properties follows in addition. When you are writing it for subtraction, then you will write like this: a minus b is not equal to b minus a. Commutative property do not follows in subtraction. There is no need to write the whole property in words. You can write like this also in a short way. And in video there I have solved some questions also. After 2-3 videos I have solved some questions. So you have to do that questions in your classwork copy. And the work which was sent in the form of image is your homework. अब कुछ बच्चे फिर से परेशान हो जाएंगे कि मैम आई हैव डन द होल वर्क इन क्लासवर्क कॉपी. तो आप मत परेशान होइए. एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू कि अगर आपने सारा वर्क एक कॉपी में किया है फर्स्ट चैप्टर का, देन देर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. फ्रॉम द सेकेंड चैप्टर यू हैव टू डू द वर्क सेपरेटली, क्लास वर्क एंड होमवर्क सेपरेटली. और मैं आपको रोज की वीडियो में आई यूज टू टेल यू विच यू हैव टू do in classwork and which you have to do in homework copy. Now I will teach you multiplication of fractions. Please pay attention. So students, now I am going to teach you multiplication of fractions. As you can see on the board, I have written the formula. The product of any two fractions is the product of their numerators and the product of their denominators. I have written in short n. N stands for numerator and d stands for denominator. So if you have two fraction a by b and c by d, you have to multiply, or to find out the product of that fraction, you will write like this: a by b multiplied by c by d is equals to a multiplied by c upon b multiplied by d. So this is how we multiply the fractions. Now I am going to take some examples in order to make you understand. So the first is 5 upon 8 into 3 upon 4. So 5 3s are, these both the numerators will be multiplied. 5 3s are 15. 8 4s are 32. Now can we simplify this fraction? No, we cannot simplify this fraction, so this will be like that only. If the fractions can be simplified or can be reduced, then you have to reduce, but it is not compulsory to reduce it. It's up to you. Now the next example which I want to take is multiply 5 upon 9 by 3 upon 2. So you have to multiply it 5 upon 9 by 3 upon 2. So 5 by 9 is an mixed fraction. So the first step will be, I think आप लोगों को अब तक याद हो चुका होगा. So the first step is to convert it into improper fraction. 9 7s are 63. 63 plus 5, 68 upon 9 multiplied by 3 upon 2. Now one thing you have to note here, it was not possible to simplify. जब भी आप सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं तो एक न्यूमरेटर एक डिनोमिनेटर, आप इसको ऐसे सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं. 3 1s are 3 3s are. Now 2 1s are 2, 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So the answer will be 34 upon 3. So students, now pay attention. I am going to take one more example. So the next example is 9 3 upon 8 by 12. You have to multiply this by 12. So firstly, this mixed fraction will be converted into improper fraction. So 8 9s are 72. 72 plus 3 will be 75 upon 8. Now you have to multiply it by 12. As I have told you, if there is no denominator or numerator, you have to consider it as 1. Okay students, now I am going to simplify it. 2 4s are 2 6s are. Now 2 2s are 2 3s are. Can we simplify it further? No, it's not possible to simplify it further. So the answer will be 225 upon 2. What will be the answer? The answer will be 225 upon 2. If you want to convert it into mixed fraction, so it will be converted as 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 2s are. That means one remainder will be there. So we will write like this: 112 1 upon 2. Okay students, now the next example which I am going to take is of simplification. So please pay attention. I am writing it on the board. So student, I have written an example in front of you on the board. So you have to cut it, you have to simplify it. So the numerators and denominators, एक बार आपको इसको ऐसे कट करना है. 7 2s are 14, 7 7s are 49. Now 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35. Now this 7 and this 7 will be cancelled, numerator and denominator. Now here we have 2 multiplied by 34. So 17 2s are 34, 17 3s are 51. Now what is left? So we have 2 upon 15. What we have? 2 upon 15. So this is this 2 is also there. 2 into 2. So we have 4 upon 15. So the answer is 4 upon 15. So this is how we simplify the fractions. Now I am going to take one more example for you. Please pay attention. So students, I have written one more example for you. So this is a mixed fraction example. All the fractions are mixed fractions. So firstly I will convert them into improper fractions. 7 3 is 21, 21 plus 4. So 25 upon 7. Now 5 2 is 10, 10 plus 2, 12 upon 5. Now 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 3 will be 7 upon 4. Now we have to simplify it. हम लोग चेक करेंगे कौन कौन से यहाँ पे हमारे सिंप्लीफाई हो सकते हैं. 5 1s are 5 5s are. This 7 and this 7 is going to be cancelled. Now 4 1s are 4 3s are. So what do we have as answer? Our answer is 5 3s are 15. Now I am going to explain one more example using of off. How off is used in fractions. Please pay attention. So how will we use of in fractions? If any fraction is given to you like this, a upon b of c, if it is written, then how will we multiply those fractions? That will be multiplied like this, c into a upon b, like 2 by 3 of 18. Now here of is written, so we will multiply like this, 18 into 2 upon 3. I have already told you if there is no denominator, by default we will consider 1. Now 3 1s are 3 6s are. So the answer will be 12. Now we can take some more example. If it is written 5 by 9 of 36. So it will be like that. 36 upon 1 into 5 upon 9. 9 1s are 9 4s are. So it will be 20. So these were some examples which I have explained you. Now I am going to give you questions of exercise which you have to do. I will tell which questions are your classwork. Please pay attention. So students, before telling you the classwork, I am going to take some examples more, like 1 by 5 of a rupee. So 1 by 5 of a rupee means you have to convert it into of a rupee, you have to find out 1 upon 5. So 1 rupee is equals to how many paise? It's 100 paisa. So 1 by 5 multiplied by 100. So it will be 20 paisa. So the answer will be 20 paisa. Now if I am taking one more example. If it is written like that, 2 by 3 of an year. Now 1 year has how many months? 1 year has 12 months. So we can write like this, 2 by 3 multiplied by 12. 3 1s are 3 4s are. So the answer will be 8 months. So 2 by 3 of an year will be 8 months. So if it is written like that, 4 by 5 of an hour. Now how many minutes are there in an hour? There are 60 minutes. So we will write like this, 4 by 5 multiplied by 60. 4 1s are 4. Sorry, 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. So the answer will be 48 minutes. Okay students. So whatever the value is given over here, like if it is rupee, you will convert it into paisa. If it is an year, you have to write in the form of months. If it is an hour, you will write in the form of minutes. If it is a day, you will write in the form of hours. If it is written like 4 by 5 of a day, then what you have to do? If it is written 4 by 5 of a day, then you have to convert it into hours. So 4 by 5 into 24. You have to solve like this. So on the basis of this, I am going to give you some questions And the classwork for today is that question number 10 and question number 11 which I have solved in the starting of the video. और जो homework होगा उसकी image आपको आपके WhatsApp पे मिल जाएगी. Thank you students.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.